You know, you two look very similar.
What does similar mean?
Good question.
Robert teaches English.
When two things are similar, they're the same, but only in some ways. For example, you both have a beard, you have the same body, you have the same face. So you're similar in these ways, but you're not quite the same. Bob,
Yeah?
you are wearing glasses and a hat, for example. Rupert is not. Rupert, you are wearing a t-shirt, but Bob is wearing a hideous sweater. So you're not the same, you are similar. Bob, you also have a very low voice, but Rupert has a very high voice.
Yeah, I guess it is.
So you're not the same, but you are very similar.
Okay, I guess we're similar.
I guess we are similar.
You know, Natalie, some people say we look similar.
I don't see it.
Yeah, I would say you two are also pretty similar. So there you go. That's what similar means. The same in some ways, but not in all ways. Now for practice, I want you guys to see if you can answer this question. How are a bear and a snake similar? If you think you know the answer, write it in the comments below, along with any other questions you had for me. I want to thank you for taking the time to learn with me today. I think you're doing a great job, and I believe in you. I'll see you soon.
Please subscribe to me.